Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can increase the text size here at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. For that we will need the settings for, so just scroll down here below the battery symbol so that we're here at the control center. Tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Now you need to scroll down here on the left side to the point display. And now at the right side, scroll down a bit to the point font size and style. And you can increase the text size like I did here already, but don't do too much because sometimes the look is a bit different then. So I recommend to you to take here the 5th point at maximum. And there's another way to extend the items and so on as well. So let me go back one step here so that we are back here at the display settings, and below on the below font size and style we have the point screen zoom. Here you can increase as well the icons, like here this shown with the text messaging and so on. So if I increase it, you will see that the items are now much bigger. So just set up as you like it. Now your eyes will say thank you for that. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video. Sorry for my English. And maybe we will see us next time again. You can subscribe me if you want to follow me, and it will be very nice. Thank you so much, and ciao.